Hey guys, just kind of out here in the parking lot. I had one of our customers, Tommy Fisher, down kind of around Katy area, I believe it is. Does a booming business. He came up here the other day and bought a M5 twist nozzle for his Kingslinger, 10 gallon per minute setup, I believe is what he has, and I had told him, I said, it's not going to work, Tommy. It's got too big an orifice. I think you're going to lose some distance. You're going to lose some flow. I wouldn't do it. He insisted. And I said, okay, well, if it doesn't work out, it's yours. You can't return it. And he's like, okay, I'm willing to take the chance. And so I tried to talk him out of it. But later that day, he sent me video of it. Was extremely happy with it. And watching the video, I couldn't believe it either. So I just thought I'd show you guys how it works on the Kingslinger, and I think it's a great tool, a great option to have, because you don't have to worry about changing your nozzle from the shooter tip to the fan. That's what he was doing. He didn't like the fact that he kept tearing up his rubber gloves trying to change, or his latex glove, trying to change the nozzles all the time from the shooter tip to a fan spray. So going to do a little demo here out in the parking lot and show you some of the distance that you can get. He's using the 7 to 12 gallon per minute, but I'll show you guys that versus the 2 to 3 and the 5 to, or the 3 to 7, the 2 to 3 gallon per minute, the 3 to 7, and the 7 to 12. So stay tuned for that coming up next. Okay guys, out here testing. This first test is the normal 0020 nozzle that I use. This is brass. And that bucket is exactly 41 feet from me. So I'm hitting right in front. If I raise it up, angle over the dangle. You get more distance the higher you raise it. I got a slight little drift because it's still cold out here. But so now we're going to try the 2 gallon per minute M5 twist. Make sure this is the 2. Yep, that's the 2 to 3 gallon per minute M5 twist. So you get a little more volume, just a hair less in distance, but you have the ability to twist it. Okay, so that's the 2 to 3. Next, we go to the 5, 7. More volume, a little more distance. Again, you have the ability to take it and twist it, get you a fan. That way you don't have to change nozzles like Tommy was telling me. And next we'll go to the 7 to 12 gallon per minute. This is the one that he bought. Even more volume and probably about the same distance as the 5. Maybe a little less, but he really likes it. Twist the nozzle, there we go. Just twist the nozzle all the way. And then you can just do a wider fan spray. So it's a nice little handy thing, especially if you don't have a real tall building, a long roof or whatever. Simply, easily change these out. I mean, instead of changing them out, you can go from a nozzle to, like I've always said, I don't like the high-powered, high-volume machines. It's just a waste. You don't need to flood a roof. You don't need to flood a surface. You've got to get your mix on it, nice and even, nice coat. So that's something that I think can come in handy for a lot of guys. I'll use this but I'll also use my 0020. It's just always been my favorite nozzle, but I can see a lot of cases where I'm going to use the twist nozzle. And then we'll turn this machine off. You can see I was standing right about there where those marks are when I measured with my wheel. So I'll wheel this out for you so you get a good, accurate It's about right here. That's measuring 38. And then we keep going a little bit. That's 40 right there. So the bucket is about 41. So you get close to 40 feet. A little short. But we got just a slight breeze out here. Nothing that really affected. But hey, thank you, Tommy, so much for letting me know about the M5 twist. I really do appreciate it. And definitely a good tool to have in a bag. We use the M5 twist a lot for plant protection too with our 8 gallon per minute, because you can just twist it and go from a straight shot, you know, when you're standing back from plants, or twist it and you get a nice wide fan pattern and douse a lot of foliage or whatever, a lot of plants at one time. So definitely a good tool to have in the toolbox, the M5 twist. All right, anyway guys, y'all have an awesome day. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit that comment button, not the button, hit the subscribe button, leave me a like, give me a comment, blah 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 blah. Y'all have a blessed day. Don't forget March 19th, free paver sealing training here with Stephen Venturi from Deco products. So get registered for that. You got to RSVP at pressurecleaningschool.com/events, and look forward to meeting you guys and see y'all there. Come on out here and let's get some pavers and concrete and brick. We've sealed a lot of brick houses. It's a great add-on. So see y'all. Good is the enemy of great. There isn't any reason why you can't take your good pressure washing business and turn it into a great exterior cleaning business.